On what is the best SEO plugin for WordPress website. So let's begin. So before I begin, my name is Yavarkhan. I make WordPress tutorials, tips, and how you could grow your business. So yeah, in this video, I'm going to explain you what is the best SEO plugin for WordPress. So let's go. So today, first is I'm going to log into Bluehost. So Bluehost is one of the best web hosting, and as you know, your SEO depends, your Google ranking depends on your website speed. So for me, Bluehost is one of the best web hosting for WordPress, and I have a 70% discount, which is linked in the description. So let's begin. So yeah, we are right now into the WordPress dashboard. We are into plugins, add new, and today we are going to talk about Yoast SEO. So this is one of the best SEO plugins for WordPress. It's simple and it's easy to install. Just click Yoast and install now. And also I'm going to give you a bonus. If you stay till the end of the video, you will have a free gift, which I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. So let's begin. Just activate. And once it's activated, you can go on Yoast, and then you can just click on the first time SEO configuration. If this is your first time, just click over here, and it's really easy and simple. And this is, you have to just go through the wizard, and then you need to say if your option is live A and a blog, whatever your website is, click. So basically what it does is, if I go on Google, if I type my website name, learn how to create a WordPress website, learn how to make a WordPress website, so this will help you rank #1 in Google. As you could see, you could put your WordPress title name, you could put your WordPress blog post name. So for example, let's do one thing. I can give you a sample example. So what you could do is, if you're a person, you can click over here. I'll just go through it. You select, click next. You can say yes, 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 click next. Next, just say yes. So basically this is, select this one, click next. Basically this one is, if you go on here, you could see these dots. So I selected the previous one, so now you're done. And just next. If you want tutorials, you could watch, but you don't have to watch because it's really simple. I'm just going to explain you in a while, and that's it. So let's say for example, you're creating a post or a page. So yeah, so let's say for example, this is your post. So you're writing about WordPress, so make sure it's in your title, and then you write the content. Okay, and then once it's done, as you could see over here, focus key phrase is WordPress, and you could change everything from here. If you click over here, you can write your meta description, WordPress tutorial, and then this is how it will look on Google. So if you try something like this, if you say something like this, just for example, it will look like this on Google. So make sure everything is correct. Your title should be whatever it is, and this is how it works. It's a simple explanation. Again, for example, again the same thing with the post. You're writing about WordPress, you can just write over here WordPress and focus keyword WordPress. I think so I switched it off. Yeah, you just have to write it down, and that's it. Save, publish, and this is how you can configure this plugin, and that's it. So as I mentioned, you're a free gift. So if you check, I've created a course of a crash course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch. The link is in the description. I go over how you could create a step-by-step WordPress website, how you could make sure it's SEO optimized. Everything is there in it. Just click the link in the below. Thank you.